Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, April 8th, 2025, we're analyzing Apple, APL, stock, looking at both the latest news and what the charts are telling us. Recent headlines are dominated by concerns over Trump's tariffs and their impact on Apple, along with worries about delays in implementing compelling AI features. Let's dive into the charts to see how these events are reflected in Apple's price action. Looking at the daily chart, we see a period of significant volatility. Notice the large red candle around early April 2025. This coincides with the peak of tariff fears and negative analyst reports regarding Apple's AI progress, suggesting a strong correlation between the news and the stock's downward movement. We can see Apple dip to 174.62 on the 7th of April. Now let's switch to the 1-hour chart for a closer look at this recent volatility. Here, we can better observe the intraday price swings. Notice how the price attempts to recover, but faces immediate resistance. Zooming in on the 15-minute chart provides even greater detail. We can see the choppy price action, reflecting the uncertainty and fear in the market. It shows a massive peak and crash in a short amount of time, starting the 7th of April. Looking back at the daily chart, we can identify potential support around the $164 level, which corresponds to the 52-week low. This level could act as a floor if the stock continues to decline. On the upside, we see resistance around the $260 level, the 52-week high. Breaking above this could signal a strong bullish reversal. Right now, we're far below this level, so it's unlikely to achieve this, perhaps only 20% likely. In the short term, a key level to watch is around the $185 to $190 range. A sustained break above this area could indicate a potential short-term bullish move. If the price fails to hold above $180, we could see a retest of the $174 level, and potentially even lower if tariff and AI concerns continue to weigh on the stock. For long-term investors, the key is to monitor Apple's progress in AI and how they navigate the tariff situation. Positive developments could shift sentiment and lead to a significant recovery. To recap, key price levels to watch are support at $164 and resistance at $260 in the long term. In the short term, $180 and $185 to $190 are important levels. Given the current negative sentiment, a break below $180 appears slightly more likely, 60%, potentially leading to a retest of $174. A break above $190 is less likely, 40%, in the short term, but would signal a bullish reversal. Keep an eye out for news regarding Apple's AI development and tariff negotiations, as these will be key drivers of the stock's future performance. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts, and remember to do your own research before making any investment decisions.